Hello everyone, this is Rachna Sharma and you are watching Food Tech Geeks where I upload videos related to food science and technology. Recently, I have uploaded a video of solved question paper of MSc Food and Nutrition of Delhi University Entrance Test 2019. Most of you have requested for the question paper of year 2018 also. So here I am with the solved question paper of MSc Food and Nutrition of Delhi University Entrance Test 2018. So let's start the video. Question number 1. If the requirement of vitamin A expressed as beta carotene in 4800 microgram, its retinol equivalent will be. Answer 600 microgram, as retinol is equals to 1 by 8 beta carotene. Next, triticale is a hybrid cereal from a cross between wheat and rye. Next, which of the following hormone controls a hyperglycemic state? Answer insulin. Fourth question, which of the following is not a non-caloric sweetener? Answer, honey, because rest are the artificial sweetener and they are the non-caloric sweetener. Next question, glycogen phosphorylase is specific for? Answer is alpha-1,4 glycoside linkage. Next question, which following are the criteria for diagnosis of metabolic syndrome? So the correct options are option number 1, 3 and 5th. Next question, the active principle in garlic is? Answer, allicin. 8th question, which foods come under the category of protective and regulatory food group? Answer, vegetables and fruits. Next question, most allosteric enzymes? Answer, have more than one subunit. Next question, the germ is separated from wheat kernels during milling because? Answer is all of these. Helps in the rancidity of germ fat may result in less shelf life, and germ is a very valuable byproduct because it is a rich source of vitamin E, that is tocopherol, and germ oil can be prepared. So these all are the reasons why germ is separated from the wheat kernel during milling process. Next question, indicator of iron deficiency anemia for pregnant women is? Answer, hemoglobin less than 11 gram per 100 ml. Next, indicate the odd one out. So the answer is saponin because it is an anti-nutritional factor and rest others are pigments present in the fruits and vegetables. Next question, a reaction between an aldehyde and an alcohol gives a? Answer, hemiacetal. Next question, process of redistribution of fatty acid within the triglyceride structure is known as? Answer, interesterification. 15th question, adding dash to a breakfast of cereal will help your body to absorb iron. The answer is orange juice, as vitamin C helps in the absorption of iron. Next question, iron containing oxygen binding storage protein is? The answer given here is myoglobin. Next question, a clear fluid diet cannot contain which of the following preparations? The answer is semolina porridge. Next question, natural levels of glycosylated hemoglobin indicative of a non-diabetic state should be? Answer is less than 6.5%. It is the level of the glycosylated hemoglobin. Next question, the key enzyme in the regulation of fatty acid synthesis is? Answer, acetyl-CoA carboxylase. Next question, adulterant added to mustard oil is? Answer is argemone oil, and it has very bad health effects. It can lead to the disease known as dropsy. Next question, the blood clotting vitamin is? Option correct is vitamin K. Next question, the combination of gases used in MAP of food products is? Answer, oxygen, carbon dioxide and nitrogen, and all these gases have the different roles to play in the MAP. Next question, the phosphoprotein which is precipitated from raw milk at pH 4.6 is? Answer, casein. It is the isoelectric point for casein. Next question, the photosensitive pigment produced in eyes by rods and cones are? Option is rhodopsin and iodopsin. Next question, HIV associated wasting is when there is unintentional weight loss of more than 10% in 30 days. Next question, milk sugar lactose is a combination of which two monosaccharides? So the correct option is glucose and galactose. Next question, a diet high in saturated fat can be linked to which of the following? Answer is cardiovascular disease. Next question, all of the following statements are correct regarding BMR except, so the answer is BMR decreases in pregnancy. This statement is wrong in the context of BMR. Next question, which type of microbes are killed during pasteurization? So the answer is mainly bacteria. Next question, Peyer's patches are a symptom of, option 1, typhoid. Next question, angular stomatitis and glossitis are characteristic symptoms of deficiency of, answer, riboflavin. Next question, parenteral nutrition involves provision of nutritional supports through, answer, veins. ISO stands for International Organization for Standardization. Next question, what is the correct sequence of product in urea cycle? So the correct sequence is first orthonin, then citrulline, then arginosucnic acid, then arginine, and at last urea is formed. Next question, all the following statements about allosteric effectors are correct except, the answer is bind at the substrate binding site. This is the wrong statement. Next question, identify the terms associated with serial cooking. So the terms which are related with the serial cooking are gelation, gelatinization, and retrogradation. Next question, the gelling ability of a starch depends upon, so the answer is amylose content. Starch has two components, amylose and amylopectin. So amylose gives it the gelling property. Next question, epiphyseal enlargement is seen during deficiency of which nutrient? The answer is vitamin D. Next question, sequence of oral motor development from birth to 24 months is. So the correct sequence is option 3, swallow, then rooting, and then movement of food from side to side, and at last rotatory chewing. So this is the development from birth to 24 months of age. Next question, this reacts with lysine residues in opsin to form rhodopsin. So the answer is 11-cis retinal. Next question, cutoff for severe acute malnutrition in children 6 to 60 months as recommended by WHO 2009 are, so the correct answer is weight for height less than 3 SD and MUAC less than 115 mm. Next question, phospholipid contains, so the answer is hydrophilic heads and hydrophobic tails. So it has both these parts. Next question, phosphorylation of an enzyme is an example of reversible covalent modification. Next question, cholelithiasis is a condition involving, so the answer is stone in gallbladder. Next question, most important aptamers of D-glucose are, the correct option are D-galactose and D-mannose. Next question, following are the symptoms of diabetes mellitus. So the symptoms are polyuria, glycosuria, and polyphagia. Next question, the emulsifier present in egg is, answer, lecithin. Next question, assertion is food intolerance is an immune system response, and the reason is an allergen is a molecule that elicits an immune response. So the correct answer is assertion is incorrect and the reason is correct. Next question, consumption of alcohol and drugs during pregnancy may cause congenital malformations. It is an assertion and the reason says damage caused during hypertrophy is irreversible. So the assertion is correct, but the reason for this assertion is wrong. Next question, digestive enzymes are released in inactive forms called zymogens. It is the assertion and reason is this is necessary to prevent the digestive enzymes from digesting the cells that produce them. So both the assertion and reason are correct. Next question, assertion carbohydrates provide energy to the body. Reason is excessive intake of carbohydrates may lead to weight gain. So both the assertion and the reason are correct. Next question, assertion says archidinic acid is an unsaturated fatty acid. Reason is there are one or more double bonds between carbon atoms in unsaturated fatty acids. So the assertion is incorrect as archidinic acid is not an unsaturated fatty acid, but the statement given in reason is correct. Next question, egg acts as a leavening agent in the preparation of mayonnaise, and the reason is lecithin in egg prevents the separation of fat and aqueous layer in mayonnaise. So the assertion is incorrect because it do not act as a leavening agent, and the reason is correct as the lecithin which is present in egg acts as a emulsifier. So next question, assertion says glutamate dehydrogenase occupies central position in nitrogen metabolism, and the reason is this is because it catalyzes conversion of ammonia to urea. So the reason is wrong, but the assertion is correct. Next question, assertion says unpolished rice should be eaten, and the reason is polished rice lacks vitamin B. So yes, both the assertion and reasons are correct, because as we remove the outer bran layer or the husk layer, more vitamin loss will be there. Next question, assertion is glycine is an optically inactive amino acid, and the reason is the central carbon in glycine has two identical groups. So both the assertion and reason are correct. Next question, table salt is restricted in patients of hypertension, and the reason is sodium restrictions enhance water retention. So assertion is correct, but this is not the correct reason. Next question, magnesium hydroxide is an effective dash to treat peptic ulcers. So the answer is antacid. We know that magnesium hydroxide acts as an antacid. Next question, to be transported throughout the body, fats are packaged in structures called, the answer is lipoproteins. Next question, 1 kilocal is equivalent to, so the answer is 4.184 kilojoule. Next question, which enzyme is used as an indicator of complete pasteurization in milk? Answer, alkaline phosphatase. Next question, which enzyme is responsible for brown color development in fruits? The answer is phenolase, and this is responsible for the enzymatic browning reaction. Next question, blanching of fruits and vegetables has the following benefits. So the answer is all of the above. It improves the color, it inactivates the enzyme, and it also reduces the microorganisms. The next question, substances that are able to support the growth of good bacteria are commonly known as, so the answer is prebiotic. Next question, arachidonate has 20 carbon atoms with, the answer is 4 double bonds. It has four double bonds at 4 different carbon atoms. Next question, the RDA of iron for a sedentary woman is, the answer is 21 mg. Next question, the RDA of a nutrient is usually set at what level above the estimated average requirement? The answer is 2 SD. Next question, the RDA for which nutrient is set at the EAR level? The answer is energy. Next question, match type question in which we have to match the nutrient with the consequences of either its deficiency or excess. So the correct options are folic acid, neural tube defects; iodine, mental retardation; fiber, constipation; and fluoride, dental mottling. So these are the nutrients and with the consequences of the deficiency or excess. Next question, again the match type question, and in this vitamin and the disease caused by the deficiency are to be matched. So the answers are vitamin A deficiency cause night blindness, vitamin C deficiency cause scurvy, and vitamin D deficiency cause rickets, and vitamin B12 deficiency cause pernicious anemia. Next question, in which we have to match the protein and its structural organization. So the primary structure, sequence of amino acids; secondary structure, alpha helix; tertiary structure, three-dimensional arrangement of single polypeptide; and then quaternary structure, three-dimensional arrangement of two or more polypeptides. Now the hormones with their origin. So oxytocin, posterior pituitary; insulin, pancreas; estradiol, ovaries; and cortisol, adrenal cortex. Now the food along with the bioactive compound present in them. So the watermelon has lycopene, garlic has allyl sulfides, tea has catechin, orange has limonene, and broccoli has indoles. So these are the correct bioactive compounds present in which food. Next question, arrange in correct order the steps in preparing of parboiled rice. So we have to give the correct sequence of the steps. So the sequence is first the cleaning, then soaking in the water, and then steaming, and at last drying. Again, the match type questions in which we have to match the term and this term which used in which type of food. So the options are fermentation in bhatura, emulsification in mayonnaise, germination, sprout salad, dextrinization, chapati, and shortening, apple pie. So these are the correct matches. Next question. For a peptide bond, all of the following statements are true except the answer is it is more stable in cis configuration than in the trans configuration. They are actually it is reverse. They are more stable in trans configuration rather than in cis configuration. Next question. Consider the following enzymes of glycolytic pathway. So these are the enzymes and we have to find out the correct sequence in which they appear in the pathway. So the sequence is number 1, 4, 2 and then 3. Next question, choose the correct statement. So the correct statements among these followings are statement 1, gluconeogenesis occurs mainly in liver and to a smaller extent in kidneys. Then glycogen phosphorylase involved in glycogenolysis requires biotin as cofactor, and during glycogenolysis terminal glucose residues get removed from non-reducing end. Next question, what happens to chlorophyll when heated with acid? So these all things happen. Mg2 plus is replaced, pheophytin is produced, and then color changes to olive green from dark green. Next question, which of the following foods does not contain gluten and is acceptable for patients with celiac disease? So the options are B, rice flour, gram flour and corn flour, as gluten is primarily present in wheat cereal. Next question, which of the following is an omega-3 fatty acid? So the answer is alpha-linolenic acid and they are the essential fatty acids. Next question, which of the following is an essential amino acid? So the answer is tryptophan, methionine and lysine. Next question, which of the following foods is expected to have a least microorganisms? The answer is canned berries. Next question, which of the following pair of enzymes are responsible for tenderization of meat? The answer is cathepsin and pepin. Next question, which of the following pair of hormones help in the synthesis and ejection of milk after delivery? Answer, prolactin and oxytocin. Which of the following is required as a component of blood hemoglobin? Answer is hemoglobin. We know this very well. Next question, which of the following toxic compound is responsible for letharism? The answer is DOAA. Next question, which of the following protein was used as a standard to rank other proteins using chemical score? The answer is egg. Next question, which of the following enzymes are located in the cytoplasm? So the correct option is enzymes of glycolysis. Next question, which of the following amino acid when exposed to ninhydrin produces a yellow color? The answer is proline. Next question, which of the following compounds is used in cryogenic freezing? Answer is liquid nitrogen. Next question, which of the following statements about enzyme or their functions is true? So the correct options are 1, 2 and 3. Next question, which of the following components are essential for setting of jam? The answer is pectin, acid and sugar, and the concentration of all these three is very crucial for the setting of a jam. Next question, the absorption of calcium is adversely affected by, the option is oxalate and phytate. They inhibit the absorption of calcium by the body. Next question, select the correct statement from the answers given. So the answer is correct option is 2, breast milk is rich in lactose. Next question, quantity of iron and iodine in double fortified salt in 1 gram is, the answer is 1000 microgram and 30 microgram. Next question, gestational diabetes is, answer is diabetes diagnosed during pregnancy. Next question, the FLAG sign due to discoloration of hair in bands is characteristic symptom of, answer is Kwashiorkor. Next question, WHO recommendation for determining xerophthalmia as a public health problem is, answer is option number 2 and 3 both. Prevalence of night blindness in more than 1% of the population and prevalence of Bitot spot in more than 0.5% of the population. Next question, flavor of coffee develops during, so the correct option is roasting. So during the roasting process only the distinct flavor of coffee is developed.